Creators, today we're going to learn how to install pockets on any ready-made garment. I know you've all had dresses or a garment out there that you really love to wear, and you would probably wear more if it had pockets. My sister brought me this beautiful dress. It's a fake wrap dress, but on the side seams, there's no pockets. And she said she'd probably wear it more and have more success in this dress if she had pockets. So we're gonna add some. There's a template below in the description so that you can print this off on your own at home. And once you do, you'll wanna cut out 4 pocket pieces out of your fabric. You'll need 2 pieces for every pocket. And if you've got 1 on either side, that means 4. Also, we're gonna be using the serger quite a bit, but in place of the serger, if you don't have one, you could just use a zigzag stitch. And if your dress is knit, like this one, then you could use knit fabric. It doesn't unravel, and you wouldn't have to finish the stitches. So let's get started and learn how to put some pockets in every garment we own. Cut 4 pockets. Step 1 is to mark where you need the pockets to be sewn. I like to mark the top and the bottom. This is also a great place for you to try on the garment and make sure that your pocket placement is in the right place for when you have the garment on. Step 2 is to open the side seams with your seam ripper. Remember, you'll need a little extra space to sew in these pockets, so I actually opened up the seam about 1 inch bigger on the top and the bottom of where the pocket's going to go. Make sure you're extra careful and you don't cut into the fabric. We don't want any holes. Step 3 is to pin the pocket right sides together to the front of the dress. We're pinning the flat side of the pocket to the side seam of the dress. We'll then pin right sides together, the pocket and the back of the dress. Make sure that the pocket pieces line up. Sew or serge the side seam and the pocket along the flat side. Do step 4 again for the opposite side of the pocket. Step 5 is to sew or serge the side seam and the curve of the pocket. Step 6 is to take a tapestry needle and thread the serger threads back through the loops. Step 7 is to zigzag stitch the serge threads so they stay in place. You can skip this step if you are not using a serger. And now we have our pockets installed. They're on the side seam, and we'll be able to wear this beautiful dress and not worry about storing our phone or tissues or anything that we desire in our pockets. We'll be able to take it with us as we wear our beautiful dress. So I hope you followed this tutorial and it was easy for you. And don't forget, there's the template in the description below. Bye guys.